I'm all crusty and everything, but I just wanted to do this pride look tutorial. This is what I have in mind, is doing a bunch of glitter. I'm gonna start with the NYX glitter primer. So I'm just gonna start putting the glitter primer and create like a whole lid crease. Just watch.
I just wanna go fast, hold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold in the flesh, I'm so hard and I'm sucking on the cheek.
Okay, so I have like glitter all over me, but it's not as like messy as I thought it was gonna be. So do you see how this crease is a lot different than this crease? I like this one better, but the top part right here doesn't have a lot of like NYX glitter primer. So with the clean brush, I'm just gonna kind of like scoop it up and then clean it. And then I'm gonna do my face real quick. I think I'm just gonna use like the other side of like my like tweezers. We call it pinzas in Spanish, so that's why. But I just wanted to kind of talk about something that happened with me this weekend, and it's just, you know, it was like kind of upsetting for me. Someone this weekend like went up to me and told me something unnecessary, and there was no point of telling me this. Like they gave me an opinion, I guess. He kind of like went personal about like something. So I was just like, wow, like this person seriously didn't have to like ruin my night saying that. Like he was trying to make me feel bad, I guess. But so far I am loving this. This is amazing. It's just what I wanted. The past couple of weeks I've been kind of like emotional, and I just been keeping it to myself, and like I don't know, I guess I'm just kind of like seeing everything a lot different. I'm not depressed or anything. I'm just kind of like, I've been through so much and I don't like talk about it or anything. Things personal like come up to me and it just gets me emotional because it's like I have a good heart. So I feel like I can always understand someone else's like what they're going through. The point of this that I'm talking about is I've been meeting a lot of people who can be mean, and they want to be snakes. They want other people to be put down because they're down too. And they like words is hurtful. Like you can say something and you don't even realize that you ruined that person's day. And it's just like, for me, you have to stay humble. You have to go ahead and don't judge other people and do you. Like, do focus on yourself. Quit focusing on other people and if they're doing good or bad or not. Like, don't put them down or anything. Like, treat them the way you want to be treated. And lately I've been not seeing that, and I shouldn't. It's not that I'm surrounding myself around it, but I've been seeing it a lot lately. Like, you don't know what that other person is going through. You're being a snake and you're throwing venom to that person with your words. Like, you don't even, like, people don't realize how powerful words can be. The only thing you can do if someone is treating you like that is just don't let it get to you. Don't let words get through your ear and believe that it's true. If they say you're ugly, if they say that you're not good enough and this and that, don't let it get to you. Just don't like block that out of your head and don't let it get to you. Just go ahead and do you and focus on yourself, because there's a lot of negative people out there. I don't go on Facebook a lot, but recently I did. And the first post I see on my timeline is about the government separating families, you know, the whole thing with the immigration situation. And it's just so sad because when I go through comments, a lot of like American people a lot of comments are like, yeah, take them back where they come from, and like, oh yeah, well, they're illegal, they shouldn't be here, this and that. They're still human. Like that, like they still have feelings. They still like they breathe, they eat, they're just like us. I'm Mexican, so I think like even if I'm not Mexican, like I would still feel this way. Like it doesn't matter where, like it's just like I've been seeing a lot of ignorant people in comments and stuff, and it's just like horrible. It's like, I don't know, I shouldn't let it affect me. It's just out of control. Words are powerful and they hurt, but don't let it get to you, because I know how it feels, but literally just have a different mindset and be positive, because you're doing this for yourself. You're doing it for yourself, no one else but for you. Like, I just literally just had to get that off my chest because I was really sad about it. I just put lashes on. These lashes are from Athena Lash in the style Bad Bitch, and you guys can use my code DARLA10 to go ahead and save some money. I really do like how this came out with the yellow, orange, red, and then green, blue, purple. I don't know, I wish I can do my hair instead so it looks a lot cuter, but oh well. Thank you guys for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you guys like it.